Hi, my name is Xinyuan Lu. The topic I want to discuss is human resource management in the hospitality industry. Human resource management refers to the management of employees so that they will work efficiently and effectively to help the company achieve its objectives. Today, almost every business knows that employees are the most valuable asset to a company. Big companies invest heavily in human resource management. For example, they have their own human resource management department. However, for small business, human resource management is really a problem, especially during this pandemic. I'm currently working at a fried chicken restaurant in Halifax. I found this job as a waitress for my full-time internship. My duty at first was to prepare food and serve customers. Thanks to the experiences I gained from my last job for my part-time internship, I could work alone without receiving too much training. After a month long observation, my manager decided to make me an assistant manager. I was glad at first because I got a wage raise only for recruiting and training new employees. However, later it proved I underestimated my new duty. Our restaurant has a long open hour, from 11:30 a.m. to 12 a.m. For preparation and cleaning, employees need to come at 11 a.m. and usually leave at 1 a.m. This is a 14-hour shift. When I first started my job, including me and the owner-manager, 7 people worked at our restaurant. We had a 7-hour shift. However, after I became the assistant manager, several employees left because of the fear of COVID-19. Suddenly, we faced a labor shortage, and the rest of us had to work a 14-hour shift 3 or 4 times a week. If I couldn't hire new employees in time, more employees will leave us and the restaurant might have to close. I post many recruitment ads on several apps. I got like 4 applications and I started to arrange interviews and training. All the applicants were students and many of them didn't have any previous work experience, so I had to train them from the very start. It was so much harder than I thought. I had to mention every detail and be careful with my tongue. Doing things by myself is much easier than teaching and correcting them. After they completed the training and start to work, I still have to be there with them to check if they can work alone by themselves. After the observation for 3 shifts of each of them, I was confident that they could work by themselves, and I was able to finally get some rest. However, I found that they started to go slack when I was not there. Some of them skipped many duties such as regularly cleaning work areas and mop floors. They just left lists to the people at the next shift. Some of them started to come to work late and even close the restaurant early without asking for permission from the owner-manager and me. When I confronted them, they said the shift is so long, they had to study and won't do it again. However, this continued to happen. In my opinion, they have to leave because there is a chance other employees would copy their behavior. The owner-manager agreed with me and gave me some advice for my next recruitment ads. This time, because of the urgency, I did not put so much effort into ads. For next time, I should give some details about our restaurant and the job duty and our requirement, such as whether work experience is needed. It will save us a lot of time. So I talked to those employees and made as like what the owner manager said. We didn't get as many applications as last time, but the two applicants were much capable. However, the same problem still exists. They went slack when they work alone, but not as badly as their predecessors. I talked to the owner manager and asked for advice. After learning the situation, she thought the problem is not serious as before. I could talk to them and keep this too. In the meantime, I should keep posting recruitment ads. She explains to me that almost all of our potential employees are students. For them, they are not working for money, they just want a job to kill time. If we push too hard, they will quit. Further, when they feel stressed from study or their parent is worried about their exposure to COVID, they will quit. Therefore, we should always prepare for uncertainty. Besides, more employees mean fewer work hours for everyone, which would increase productivity and service quality. So I have followed my manager's advice system. Right now, I'm used to my new duty and I feel less stressed and more enjoyable. Our restaurant is working fine now and the employees have a good relationship with each other. Although I only worked a few more months at this restaurant, I learned so much. My whole point of view has been changed when I became an assistant manager. What I learned is that employees are the most valuable assets for organizational I think valuable assets for organizations, but also the biggest challenges. There are so many uncertainties. Therefore, when doing a job that deals with people, such as HR managers, people need to be flexible. They need to take both potential candidates pool and whole economy into account, not just follow organization's policy regularly. I also learned that people should ask for help and advice when facing problems. Instead of trying to prove yourself to your manager and failing to solve problems. Asking people for advice and learning from them is the better choice for both work and life. Thank you for listening.